As you can see, it's raining, which isn't great when we have mole sets out, but I think it's going to let up pretty soon, and then I'm going to show you what we do to remedy that issue and get our mole sets back in action. I wanted to talk about the effects of rain on mole trapping. So imagine all these raindrops falling down, and they act like thousands of tiny hammers, just pow, 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 compacting the soil. So what happens is the exact spot where we have a trap set, we backfilled that fairly loosely with dirt. This heavy rain comes in and compacts that and mashes it all down, and it's packed around the trigger, it's packed around the jaws of the trap, and then they just don't function like they're supposed to. We're going to take this bucket of peat moss along with us today. Regardless of whether we caught a mole or we didn't catch a mole, we're going to remake these sets. We'll backfill with the peat moss and see how we get along with that. Trap is set off. Let's see what we've got. Most likely what happened here is the mud just settled down and depressed the trigger, because it doesn't appear to me that any mole went through there last night. Use the peat moss to backfill like we talked about. I'll see what tomorrow brings.